Welcome to Learn and Success. If you want to improve your English, grow your skills, and become more confident in life, you're in the right place. Here, you'll find simple lessons, clear explanations, and stories that keep you learning every day.
Hit subscribe and join the community.
Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome back to Learn and Success. Today, I want to share something that can truly change your life. So listen carefully. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. And yes, you can speak English fluently, faster than you think. I know many of you feel nervous when you try to speak. You hesitate. You stop. Sometimes you don't even try because you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you have been learning English for years. You understand it when you read or listen. But when it's time to speak, your mind feels empty. You know the words, but they don't come out. I understand this feeling. I've also struggled while learning a new language. I know how frustrating it feels when you want to say something but can't find the right words, or when people speak fast and you can't follow them. But today, I want to tell you something important. You don't have to struggle anymore. In this video, I will show you how to learn English in the easiest and most natural way. From today, forget everything that made English hard for you. Forget complicated grammar rules. Forget trying to be perfect. Forget fear. Because the biggest reason people fail to speak English is not lack of knowledge. It is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of being judged. Let me ask you a simple question. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar books? Did you memorize word lists? No. You learned by listening, by copying, by making mistakes, by using the language every day. And this is exactly how you will learn English. You don't need to study English. You need to live English. English should not be something you practice for 1 hour and forget. It should be part of your daily life. You should hear it, think in it, and speak it every day. Now let's begin. Step 1, change your mindset. The first and most important step is your mindset. If you believe English is difficult, your brain will resist learning it. But if you believe English is easy, learning becomes faster. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again, but never quits. And one day, walking becomes natural. Language learning works the same way. Mistakes mean learning. No mistakes means no progress. Say this with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I am improving every day. From today, never say my English is bad. Say I am learning. This small change will make a big difference. Step 2, surround yourself with English. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can create an English environment anywhere. Start with simple steps. Change your phone language to English. Think in English while doing daily activities. When you wake up, think, I will brush my teeth now. When you make tea, I am making tea. At first, it may feel strange, but soon it will feel normal. Talk to yourself in English every day. Yes, talk to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and speak. No fear, no judgment. Label things in your house. This is a book. This is a cup. Say the sentences out loud. Your brain will start recognizing English naturally. Step 3, stop worrying about grammar. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. Speaking comes first. Grammar improves later. Children don't study grammar. They listen and copy, and grammar comes automatically. Learn sentences, not rules. I am eating. She is going to the market. Listen more, copy more, speak more. Use English in daily life. Your daily routine is your best teacher. Morning, I feel fresh today. I am making breakfast. Market, how much is this? I will take 2 kilos. Friends, how are you? What are you doing? These are real conversations, simple and natural. Hash the secret. Listen and repeat. Don't just listen. Repeat out loud. Copy pronunciation. Copy tone. Speak slowly and clearly. Record your voice and improve step by step. Build confidence. Confidence comes from practice. Speak English every day for at least 15 minutes. Use the 3-second rule. Think less, speak more. If you forget a word, don't stop. Say it another way. Learn to think in English. Stop translating in your head. Start with words. Tree, car, window, then simple sentences. I am eating. The weather is nice. Talk to yourself. Listen daily. Speak daily. Daily English plan. Morning, name things in English. Afternoon, think in simple sentences. Evening, listen or watch English for 20 minutes. Night, speak to yourself for 5 to 10 minutes. Follow this and your brain will start thinking in English naturally. My amazing learners, you now know the truth. English is not difficult. Fear is the real problem, and today you defeated that fear. English will open doors for you. Jobs, travel, confidence, growth. Never give up. Keep practicing. Keep learning. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Welcome to your fluency journey with Learn and Success. I am with you. Let's grow together. Now go and start thinking, speaking, and living in English. You can do it.